Hi, today we're talking about the tools of Access Consciousness, comparing it to a great example of an actual toolkit that you will find in your house. We will be comparing every tool of Access Consciousness to the tools that you find in a toolkit. So don't you use these tools on an everyday basis to repair the basic issues that happen in the house, to fix the small electrical or the plumbing problems? So we are here to share with you the tools of Access Consciousness that will allow you to repair all the issues of your life and create a more grand, exciting and a fun life for yourself. So let's start with the hammer.
Why do you use a hammer? A hammer is used to strike a nail. A hammer is used to join two plies of wood to create something new, like a box or a drawer or a shelf. Similarly, Access also gives you all a tool to create new possibilities for yourself. All you have to do is say what else is possible as many times as you can, and every time you say, you will invite new possibilities and new opportunities in your life.
The next tool we want to share with you is a wrench. Every toolkit has a wrench. It is used to tighten the nuts and the bolts, to rotate them and to fix them in the right place. Now, how can we compare this tool to the tool of Access Consciousness? Access Consciousness offers you a tool called How Does It Get Better Than This? So, every time you use a wrench to fix a nut in its place, for example, you fixing a car tire, you are allowing it to be better than what was earlier. So the same way, when you say, how does it get better than this? You shift the possibilities of your life into something greater and better.
The third tool which we want to talk about is a plier. Now, why is a plier used? You use a plier to bend or cut or twist the wires. In the same way, Access gives you a tool to twist any negative situation in your favor. All you have to ask is, what is right about this? And the moment you ask this, you are twisting any negative situation into a positive one.
So let's talk about the next tool, which is called Pock and Pod, and that we compare to the tool of blades and scissors. So what are blades and scissors used for? They are used to cut open and slit through, and maybe to just tear apart something. So the moment you say pod and pock, you are cutting into and tearing apart all the negative beliefs and points of views that you have kept inside your belief system for years and for lifetime. So use this tool of cut and slit as much as you can.
So the next tool which we want to talk about is the flashlight. Why do you use a flashlight? To find your way in the darkness? Similarly, Access gives you the tool which is called All of Life Comes to Me with Ease, Joy and Glory. The more you say all of life, ease, joy and glory, the more lightness you will invite in all the darkest tunnels of your life.
The next tool is the screwdriver. You'll find it in every toolbox because it is used to assemble and maybe even unassemble. So when you buy a piece of furniture, an unassembled furniture from maybe IKEA, maybe you purchased a big bed. Now it will be such a task for you to put that bed together. However, if you have a screwdriver and an instruction manual, that big bed will become a beautiful place where you can just have a lovely, relaxing nap. That is what the tool of interesting point of view does for you. It releases the charge of everything which seems so difficult. It makes everything so beautiful and easy for you, something that you were giving so much of heaviness and significance to.
The last thing which you will find in a toolbox are the extra nuts and screws which are just making the toolbox heavy. Similarly, we also store a lot of thoughts, feelings, emotions which we really don't need inside our systems. And the moment we say, who does it belong to, they just get released and get dissipated.
So these were the tools of Access Consciousness which we compared with the toolkit. Now you have a clear example of how you can use these amazing tools in your life and create something greater and better for yourself. Thank you.